Hey guys, today is our 8th day of the trek, and this is our acclimatization day at Nagarjuna from Dingboche. We would be getting back, it was a 2-hour ascent. Now we would be getting back to our hotel. Just see the view. Actually, we have come here to see the fifth highest peak, which is Mount Makalu. I'll just show you that. It can't be seen very clearly as it is covered under the clouds. I'll show you that. There you can see the one which is covered completely amongst the clouds. थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है, a triangular shaped mountain. That is Mount Makalu, the fifth highest peak in Nepal. This is the view of Dingboche while our descent. Hi guys, I'm at Cafe 4410. 4410 suggests the height that this cafe is at 4,410 meters. You can see this, and the delicacy of this is hot chocolate. Chalo, let's try hot chocolate at Cafe 4410. Yoo-hoo! Hey guys, good morning. I'm at Dingboche and we're supposed to start our trail for Lobuche. Of course, today's would be like a very challenging trail. It is almost 8 kilometers, but we would be having a difficulty in oxygen levels. Might be. Hope for the best. See you ahead. Hi guys, this is our first lunch break point. I am at Thakula. We are on the way to Labuche. From Dingboche to Labuche. It is a 8-hour trail, and you can see all the trekkers resting here and having their lunch. Now from here I would be heading towards the Thakula Pass. वो जो है वो एक ascent है, steep ascent है. It is for 1.5 hours, and उसके बाद there is a gradual walk. So still 3 hours to reach Labuche. All the best for me. Take care. Hey guys, this is the Thakula Pass. Thakula Pass Memorial Point. You can see. Hi Nidhi. Now it's a gradual trail, almost for 1.5 hours, and then we would be reaching Labuche. See you there. Hi guys, I'm at Labuche. The temperature here right now is 2 degrees, and you can see this is the view from my room. How beautiful. Nice. Hi guys, I'm at Labuche, and right now you can see the weather. I'm amidst the clouds. The temperature is almost -2. You can see. But okay, it was a challenging trail today, but we reached safely, and by God's grace oxygen levels are also fine. Let's check up for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day where we are supposed to reach Everest Base Camp, the day that we were waiting for. All the best to us. Oh my God. Just look at the clouds. Almost down. And we are up. So, this is the beauty of mountains. Hey guys, good morning. Today is a summit day. The day जिसकी हम बहुत दिनों से राह देख रहे थे. Our Everest Base Camp. 11 किलोमीटर्स की ट्रेल है. काफ़ी मुश्किल है, बट कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. आप देख रहे हो मेरी सांस फूल रही है. यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की काफ़ी कमी है. Wish me good luck. See you there at the first lunch break point. You can see the trail today. It's very challenging. We have to walk over these big boulders. After a deadly tiring trail, now here, just look at the beauty of the mountain Nuptse. We have reached Nuptse. Wow. And here, after the completion of a trail of 4 kilometers, we have reached Gorakshep. You can see here we are going to take a halt for पेट पूजा. खाना पीना खाकर थोड़ी देर फ्रेश होकर फिर हम निकल पड़ेंगे EBC एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप के लिए. लॉन्ग वे टू गो. Hey guys, I've started my trail for Mount Everest Base Camp from Gorakshep and would be reaching in 3 hours. Guys, we are 1 hour way to reach the Everest Base Camp. There you can see the yellow tent somewhere. Fine. And halfway traveled. More than half, I mean to say 1 hour to go. You can see the Mount Everest पूरा छुपा हुआ है बादलों में. थोड़ा दिख रहा है. You can see in the middle. 40 minutes still to reach base camp. You can see those small, very small ice mountains near the tents. They are known as the Khumbu Ice Falls, the death zone for the summiters. They are the glaciers, the death zone. Khumbu Glacier for the summiters of Everest. God save them. Hey guys, this is finally where I reached my dream place, my dream trek. That is the Everest Base Camp. Yo-ho! Congratulations to me and my team, my track leader and the whole team, all the guides. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Mahadev, my family and all my near and dear ones who supported me to reach my dream trek. That is the Everest Base Camp. इस वक्त सिर्फ एक ही गाना दिमाग में आ रहा है. शिव समा रहे हैं मुझ में और मैं शून्य हो रहा हूँ. Hello guys. Now this is a descent. Yesterday I finished my Everest Base Camp trek and we had a night stay at Gorakshep. आज हम descend कर रहे हैं Gorakshep से लबूचे. So it's a easy trail. Bye. Hey guys. After the trail of 4 kilometers descent from Gorakshep to Labuche, अभी मैं लबूचे में हूँ और यहाँ से You can see the helipad. We are going to go in the helicopter to Periche. फिर Periche से again we are going to go to Lukla. I'll show you that. Chalo bye, take care. It is going to carry 3 individuals at a time due to high altitude. Sitting in a helicopter. Hi guys, I'm at Labuche and I'm waiting here since yesterday for my flight. But due to the bad weather conditions, we are not able to fly. और आज हम finally जाकर एक बोलेरो जीप 4x4 हम लेकर by road जाएंगे, which is of course difficult. 20 घंटे का it is, the route is 20 hours long. And अभी पहले 1 घंटा नीचे descend है, then we are going to get the jeep for that. See you on the way. Bye. Hey guys, I've reached Surke from Lukla. It was a descent of 1 hour and now by road in a bolero a way of 20 to 24 hours. Then would be reaching Kathmandu. You can see the view. On the way, it is an experience of off-roading. Enjoy. Good morning guys. I am reaching Kathmandu within 2 hours. It is almost nearby 6 a.m. traveling throughout the night, and the previous day we started at 11 yesterday in the morning. Hey guys, I am at Pashupatinath temple, Nepal. You can see this, see the surroundings. Actually my throat is sore, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर पाऊँगी, but I'll show you the temple. Hi guys, good morning. I am leaving for the airport now, having a very bad throat, so won't speak much. But today I would be heading for Delhi, Kathmandu to Delhi, and then from Delhi we'll go to my place. Hey guys, I am at Kathmandu airport. I'm not able to speak because of my sore throat. I'm leaving for Delhi. Hi guys, finally going to Gujarat at Delhi airport. Hey guys, finally Ahmedabad airport. Going back to my place. Happy to share my experiences. Bye, take care, and wait until my next vlog.